Welcome to EzPz Lemon Squeezy.
Hello friends, welcome to EzPz one more time. Thank you very much for watching all the videos and making those resources and using it in classroom. Today we are going to do something different. India is now ready for celebrating its festival. It is Navratri coming. After that, it will be Diwali. So, what we're going to do is we are going to plan some resources which actually you can use during the festivals and teach children about the festivals and different rituals that we follow. So the first festival which is coming just next week is Navratri, and Navratri means Churia, Bangles. So that's what we are going to do. Let's see how many games we can play with these fun bangles. Okay, and of course, we have to remember that our objectives of fine motor development, eye-hand coordination, teaching numbers, teaching literacy, how we can do this with these fun resources. Okay, so let's start what we can do with bangles in this episode.
So, here's are the a few games which we are going to learn today. This is bracelet making, matching the patterns, and here is Bengal Rangoli and pick a bangle game. So friends, let's start with pick the bangle game. So let's start with game 1. This is called pick up bangle game. For this you need 5 bangles. You can choose any type of bangle, thick, thin, plastic, metal or wooden. This is glass bangles. So what you need to do is take a bangle and throw. So the rule over here is without moving other bangle, you are supposed to pick all the bangle one by one. So let's start. And if you move the other bangle, then you are out of the game. This is a tricky game. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I won. So the same way you can play again. Here you go. Pick the bangles one by one without shaking the other one. Uh-oh, I lose. So that's how you play this game. So now let's play another game of creating Bengal Rangoli. For that you will need varieties of bangles. So you can have as many colors as you get and give it to the children. And let's do the Rangoli. So for that what I'm going to use is I also have bangles like this, so we can give this kind of different textures bangles to children. So I'm going to use these as my center part, and then we put blue around it. So I'm going to have blue bangle around it. So this is very easy, and because it is very colorful, children will love it. And then you can create different structures like this by putting bangles on one another. There you go. So how pretty it is looking. Then let's take a blue color, a green aquamarine color, and then okay, have this, and then have one more over here. There you go. And they can decide whatever kind of design they want to do, and they can also do some 3D design by adding bangles like this over here. For our next game, we will need some material. We may have to take some printout. Now, children love wearing bangles, isn't it? So there is nothing more interesting than making bracelet for them. So there is a website called ABC Learning, and there they have this beautiful strips. So I have taken a printout of this and laminated this and then cut these stripes. These are basically a picture that start with the sound, and then you can just cut it and turn it around, put a sellotape over here, and children can have bangles like this which they can wear. So this is these are so beautifully done. So these are the bangles like this, and they can actually wear it and they can play with it. So this is A, egg, elephant, echo. So like this, you can make lots of bracelets. Children can make lots of bracelets like this. They also have, if you want your children to color this, and then they can make their own bracelet. That is also there. So isn't this a beautiful way of celebrating Navratri? Now let's do our next game. The next game is about pattern, and for that we will need a bangle holder like this. And what we're going to do is we need lots and lots of bangles, and create such a this kind of pattern and put it on one side of the bangle holder. And the children are supposed to match this pattern. So this is kind of a like a little bit of a complex pattern. We have like one red, three blue, again one more red, then three blue, and so on. So the child matches the same pattern looking at the thing. So here the mathematical learning of pattern is happening, repetition of the pattern, maybe one of the pre-coding skills, as well as complex pattern and simple pattern. So you can also do like for young children, you can have simple AB pattern like this, and you can ask them to match it the other side, or you can have a little complex pattern like these, so which is for K1 children. You can do this. So this is match the pattern game, and of course you can also add teaching of numbers, how many green bangles are here, how many yellow bangles are here. These are the groups of three, so we can also talk about groups of three. And of course you can also teach them multiplication by like 3 3s are 9. So there are lots of math learning can be done with this simple pattern matching games of bangles.